Slide lang.
All are on for the wonderful and one. Good day everyone and welcome to our podcast. By the way, my name is JB and I would like to meet my sea lion friend. Together with the trailers, one of the time. On your left side is the youngest female South American sea lion that we have here. And according to her
Slide lang daw,
trainer,
guys.
she is the smartest. Ooh, confident. Her name is Yenny. Together with her Jerry, say hi. While on the other side is the eldest female South American sea lion that we have here. And according to her trainer, she is the sexiest. Her name is Sandra. Together with her Johnny, say hello. Now let's continue. So guys, do you have any idea why they are called fish or feather-footed marine mammals? Any idea? Do they have feathers? Well, let's ask them. Hey ladies, do you have feathers? Well, the answer is no. It's actually because of their strong flippers, which are shaped like a bird's wings. You know, the term defense may also be translated as swift-footed, since their flippers do look somewhat like wings. In fact, the ability to fly underwater as they swim from place to place. Right, ladies? And you know, they often mistake like a seal because they look very much alike. But some differences between a seal and a sea lion is the fact that they have bigger, strong flippers. And they also turn their back flippers something else. And that too. As a result,